Welcome. Today we'll explore a fundamental concept in physics, Newton's first law of motion and the conditions for an object to remain at rest. Let's consider this multiple choice question. An object cannot remain at rest unless A. There are no forces at all acting on it. B. The net force acting on it is zero. C. The net force acting on it is constant. D. There is only one force acting on it. Let's understand this with some examples. Consider a book resting on a table. The force of gravity pulls the book downward. However, the table exerts an equal and opposite normal force upward. These forces are balanced, making the net force zero, allowing the book to remain at rest. Here's another example. Consider a box being pulled by multiple ropes in different directions, even with multiple forces acting on it. If these forces balance out to give zero net force, the box remains stationary. Let's analyze why option B is correct. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by a net external force. This means the net force must be zero for an object to remain at rest. The other options are incorrect because objects can have forces acting on them and still be at rest. A constant non-zero net force would cause acceleration, and a single force would cause the object to accelerate. Therefore, we can conclude that for an object to remain at rest, the net force acting on it must be zero. This is a fundamental principle of Newton's first law of motion.